Ugh. How many wins have we got today? 3? Should be 3. I think it's 3. Is it 3? 1, 2. Yeah, 3. That's what I thought. The best emote on Twitch, dude. Ezra, I love you, dude. Thank you, dude. We're gonna have more. BRB, I gotta grind for ads for me. No worries, man. I got you. I got you. I think here soon Twitch is gonna send me all my aggregate stuff for my revenue. So when I get that, I think I'm gonna upgrade some shit to the stream for sure. Alright. I'm feeling a pistol only game. Let's do it. Including hand cannons? No, just, we're just gonna use the silence pistol. What's up, Kyle? Checking my first build fight ever. Oh shit, you got in a build fight? Oh man, I gotta check this out. You're gonna have to send me a link or something. Can I link? Of course, man. Just link it in Twitch. Haven't been in a build fight since you started playing? What? Boy, I need to get you some more of those. This is actually a pretty feasible challenge. I have to check it out, dude. Did you win it? Dude, this is gonna be real interesting because I've never done these like old single weapon challenges, so this will be a real interesting little game because you could run out of math really quick. Really, build fights are so fun. Oh yeah, once you get them down and you start like learning how to control fights, it's so fun. If I have a controller, I don't know about that, man. I've been getting better. Edit, get out of that so I can shoot you. Quit being a bitch. We'll be here all game, bro. You gonna edit? You are a bitch, dude. Really? Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Oh, no. No, no, no. Why are you such a bitch, bro? Oh, ho, ho, ho. Buddy. 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 Buddy! How you gonna let me do that to you? Alright. Where these shots are coming from, dude? I need ammo! Where the fuck am I getting shot from, dude? I have no idea where this is coming from. Well... Wait. Fuck? Dude, I have no idea what the fuck is going on. Salty, what's up? Webcam? What about it? God damn it, dude. I took fall damage for that. This is ridiculous, dude. It's the only game. Why do you have to be mad? Wait, what? Salty refuses to try my super low sense? Well, yeah, it's because it's fucking hard to play on a low sense, man. I play on 10. And that right there is, that's hard enough. Being, you know, doing what I'm doing. Are you watching Myth? Me? Nope. Jetpack plus Hop Rocks is like GOAT. You haven't seen that guy. The hockey guy? Wait, what? I'm gonna get some ammo or something. Anything, really. Fuck. This is bad. Oh, it's only a game. Why you have to be mad? Yeah, I've seen it, bro. I've seen it. Oh, man. What the fuck is this game right now? Why can I get people like that when I play? Dude, I don't know, man. Because you haven't prayed to the Fortnite gods? I don't know what to tell you. Like, what the fuck? I always go against Western tryhards. There's nothing wrong with that. Excuse me. Man, you sound like shit, dude. I know. I look like shit too, but not one guy, dude. I know, man. I love it. Easy game, easy life. Is this real? What is going on? What up? Whew. I'm actually sweating my ass off this game. I'm triggered. Why are you triggered, man? It's just a game. I'm only playing on Western servers, dude. I'm on East. I'm on NA East. This is actually a really, really easy game. Lost thought they really cannot read. Wait, what happened? You should get some rest, dude. I know. I need to get rest. I just feel like utter dog shit right now, but it's all good. I needed to stream today, man. It's all good. Shit happens. Get the fuck off Twitch, you've already streamed. I know, but I want to stream some more. So let me get this fucking pistol in here real quick, and then I'll hop off. Go to sleep. Yeah, man, I might hop off after this game, depending on what happens. Instead of the fact that you said peace. What? What in God's green earth did you just say? Oh shit, there's people at my base. Cute. Jetpack is back? It's been back. What are you talking about? Are you fucking kidding me? You said west when you typed east. My bad. Whoops. Might be. Wait, what? broken. I'm blind. Wait, I'm blind? What did I do? Dude, what are you trying to explain to me? Do you think the jetpack is bad? No, I don't think it's bad. I think it's kind of underrated, TBH. He's dying after stream. I'm not dying after stream. Oh no. Oh shit. This is actually really bad. Do you think the jetpack is overpowered? No, I don't think it's overpowered. I just think it is what it is, you know? I'm out. Shoot, dog, don't worry about what I'm doing, bro. He just shot himself. I'm so fucking good! Oh my god!